Hey everyone, today I have a pair of true wireless Bluetooth earphones by the brand Cystereo. This video is not a full review, it's just going to be a quick unboxing and then an intro and demo into the use of this particular true wireless Bluetooth earphone. So first off with the unboxing, opening up the box, you're first greeted with some paperwork. This is their classy feedback warranty card, and then the next one is a hefty user manual in multiple languages. Then in this paper box here are the accessories. So it comes with extra ear tips because these are replaceable ear tips, as well as the USB Type-C charging cable. And then finally, last but not least, is the earbuds themselves in their carrying case, which is also the way that they are charged. The charging case has 4 LEDs in the front. They actually have a white color as well as a blue color. The blue colors on either side will denote when it's charging the earbuds, and then the white color will denote how much charge is left for the carrying case itself. When the carrying case is low battery, that's when you want to charge it with its USB-C cable here on the back, and you can see the blinking light denoting that it is receiving a charge. You can see once you open up the case that inside there are clear labels of how to situate the earbuds. The left is actually on the right side for this design, the right is on the left side. Just make sure that you put it in correctly, otherwise it will not charge properly. But it's pretty easy to do so because there are magnets along the earbuds and also in the case that helps you with proper alignment. Packed in these earbuds are a series of special technology, including the Qualcomm apt-x audio coding, which allows for a little bit more realistic sounding with the audio and as much soundstage that they can pack for these small size drivers anyways. They also have the CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology that will kind of try to block out some ambient noises as much as possible via the software. And it also, again in the title, it has Bluetooth 5.0 for longer, extended, and stable connections. Battery life for the earbuds themselves are rated up to 8 hours. Of course, that will vary based on listening volume, but it also features a little bit better call quality because of the long stem design. Microphones are at the bottom of the stem, similar to some other competitors with a similar design. These also feature some more customizable fit because of the replaceable ear tips, which are very easy to pull off and switch back in. Comes in the typical small, medium, and large silicone tips. So you should be able to find one that fits your ears, and that also will help in the noise isolation and noise reduction for better clarity and of course for better sounding bass once you get that good seal. They're also rated for IPX7, so they're not able to be submerged, but they are sweat resistant. So now that I finished highlighting some of the key features that it offers, let's go ahead and see it in action. So pairing is very simple as you would with any Bluetooth earphone. You just got to open up the Bluetooth settings on your device and then wait for the name to pop up. It will try to pair both of them, the left and right, at the same time when you first time pairing. And of course, once you've paired, you can easily repair again once you take them out of the case. Whichever one that says connected to is the device that is being paired directly to the phone. Of course, the two earbuds will pair to themselves, so you get that stereo experience. But of course, if you wanted to just use one earbud at a time, whether you want to keep one ear open or just to save battery life, you can easily do so. It's a very seamless switch. Simply put one of the earbuds back into the case and it'll disconnect and then connect the other earbud. So functionality wise, they will retain their original functionality that they would individually. So to be expected, you will just lose the functionality of the other earbud if you're using it in mono. And speaking of functionality, here's what they're capable of. Besides the normal call, pickup, and drop and reject calls, that kind of thing, you of course have music playback controls. A single tap to either of the earbuds will either increase or decrease the volume. The right side of course will increase it, left side will decrease it. Double tapping will pause or play the music depending on what status it's in. Double tapping on either of the earbuds will perform the same functionality. A long press, however, on either of the earbuds will either skip or reverse. Right side will skip, left side will reverse the track. Its final functionality is to bring up your voice assistant. I have Siri on my iPhone here, so that is a triple tap on the right earbud when there's no music playing. I don't know why they couldn't do it for both earbuds, but you can only do it again on the right earbud and only if your music is paused. So there you have it, guys. That's just been a quick overview of the Cystereo Glare truly wireless Bluetooth earphones. As usual, if you guys are interested in this product, I'll have the product link in the description for you guys to check out. Thanks for watching.